This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
First of all, open Google Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. Once you have the search result, click on it. You can also check the video description for the direct link. Install or update the app. Once done, click Open. Log into your Facebook account and click the three-line menu given at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit, you'll see dark mode option. Enable it. That's it, you have now enabled dark mode on your Facebook Lite app. To go back to your normal mode, just disable the dark mode option. So this is all in this video, we hope you liked it. Please do like and share this video, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.